Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam. In this video we will be talking about how we can efficiently manage our space in Windows 11. For that we need to download a small third-party software which is known as Wiztree. So let me just quickly show you, and I will also let you know the benefits of it. So let's just open internet browser, and now here we need to type Wiztree. Then you will find this option and this URL which says diskanalyzer.com, and you can directly click here on download. Now as we are using it for personal use, so we can choose this option, free version. If you want to donate some amount to developer, then definitely you can. Now let's click here on download installer. You also have an option to download a portable version of it, but I would recommend you to use the installer package because definitely this is one of very essential application which help you to optimize your space. Now we will just simply run the setup and install it. Now we have successfully installed it. Now I am opening my computer here, and let's say I want to manage my D drive. Now I will be clicking on D drive, and here I can see there is a lot of data. Now what I need to do is I need to run this Wiztree, and this actually help us to analyze the D drive. So I will be selecting D from here, and then the Wiztree have started scanning it, and within few seconds you can see it have scanned it for us. Now here we can see which folder consume maximum space, which is Steam library, obviously because this is game, and then the second one is virtual machine, which is pretty natural to take a lot of space. So in this way we can see which are the file which is occupying a lot of space. Apart from that, you can also see different type of extension file available here, and which particular extension is actually occupying lot of space. You can directly delete file from here. For example, as of now I never knew that because of some gaming data my system occupy a lot of space, but thanks to Wiztree which helped me to find it out, and now I can delete this library because I believe it is in my D drive and it was with my previous installation. Now I can delete it just by pressing delete. Now in this way, I can save a lot of space and I can efficiently manage my space in Windows 11. You can also do this in Windows 10 or maybe previous generation of Windows as well, because this software is quite old and reliable. So I hope that this video might help you in order to organize and efficiently manage your space. If you find this video helpful, then do like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.